Hi guys, welcome to this video. We will explain a simple way how to organize and classify words. Let's talk about the grammatical categories that are the basis of everything. The grammatical categories or parts of speech is a way of classifying words according to the function within the sentence. For example, words like house, mansion, island, city have different meanings, but they all indicate place. Another example will be suppose we have a brain, nails, hair, cat's whisker, legs. They are all parts of the body. They aren't related as such, but they belong to the body. Regardless of the meaning, there is a group of words in which they can be grouped. They are two types that cover 9 categories: variables and invariables. Variables, they are those that present some inflection of gender and number. That is, these inflectional movements can be added. For example, nouns, pronouns, adjectives, and verbs. And invariable, they are all those that don't accept inflectional movements. They remain unchanged to how much gender and number. For example, a verb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. There are 9 types of base categories, which are adverbs, adjectives, noun, conjunction, article, pronoun, verb, interjection, and preposition. For example, a word that provides more information about a verb, adjective, phrase, or other adverb in the sentence. He ate quickly. Quickly is an adverb. Other example is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. The words big, boring, and blue are adjectives. They are called qualifying adjectives. We are going to do an exercise of the following words. We are going to group them by the categories already mentioned, and later we will make subcategories. Mob, lies, man, syringe, rot, blood, grab, about, constantly, restless, ghost, flawlessly, increasingly, there, president, analysis, crew, but, wealth, rottenness, child, but, stimuli, meaningless, cleanliness, tomatoes, family, calf, feet, soap, kiss, food, fish, reconciliation, and regardless.
The previous words, we had to organize them and we divide them into different subcategories. We divide the nouns in 9 categories. The first subcategory is plural nouns. We can find feet, tomatoes, keys, lies, stimuli, men, and HS. The second one is singular nouns. We can find food, was, analysis, calf, fish, family, but. And animals, goose, geese, deer, fish. In parts of the body, blood, food, feet. In objects, syringe and root. In jobs, president, food, soap and tomatoes. Activities, crop, reconciliation, cleanliness and crew. And the last subcategories is quality, and we can find rudeness. The next categories are adjective, conjunction, verbs, preposition, and adverbs. In adjective, we can find meaningless and restless. They belong qualitative adjectives. The qualitative adjectives prove some characteristic or quality to an object. In conjunction, we can find both. It's belong correlative conjunction. In verbs, exist 2 types of verbs. There are irregular verbs and regular verbs, and mob belongs regular verb. In preposition, we can find about. About is a simple preposition. The last category is adverb, or adverbs. In adverbs, we can find flawlessly, sensitively, increasingly, and well. Table down adverbs of manner. The adverbs of manner provide more information about how a verb is done. Also, we can find regardless. Regardless is a conjunction of verbs. Conjunctive verbs is a type of verb that jumps to independent sentences or clauses of any kind. This type of a verb used to connect two parts into one sentence.
My name is Yvonne. I hope the topic is clear and can be of help. Thanks for watching.
I am Jocelyn. I hope like that you